What is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting computers, networks, and digital data from unauthorized access, cyber attacks, and damage. It involves measures and practices that safeguard personal and sensitive information from threats, ensuring the privacy and security of data in the digital world. Some key elements of cybersecurity include protecting devices, ensuring computers, smartphones, and tablets are secure from malware, viruses, and cyber attacks. Network security, safeguarding networks, especially the internet and Wi-Fi connections, from intruders and cybercriminals. Data protection, making sure that your personal information, such as passwords, credit card details, and emails, are not accessed by unauthorized individuals. Why is cybersecurity important? Preventing financial loss, cybersecurity helps protect your financial data. Without it, hackers can access bank accounts, steal credit card information, and drain your savings. Safeguarding privacy, it's crucial for protecting your personal and private information. Without strong cybersecurity, your email, social media accounts, and even your identity can be compromised. Preventing identity theft, cybercriminals can steal your identity and use it for fraudulent activities, such as opening accounts in your name or using your credit details. Cybersecurity prevents these crimes from happening. Securing devices from damage, viruses, ransomware, and other malicious software can damage your devices, making them slow or even unusable. Cybersecurity measures help prevent such damage and ensure your devices continue to function properly. Protecting organizations and businesses, companies are prime targets for hackers. Cybersecurity helps safeguard sensitive business data and keeps corporate networks secure, which in turn protects jobs, intellectual property, and company reputation. Make sure to stick around for our next video, where we'll explore the consequences of poor cybersecurity.